How to bulk upload on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily bulk upload on your YouTube channel. So first thing first, just head over to any of your browser and make sure you're currently logged into youtube.com. So once you're inside here, as you can see, I've already logged in with my account. Now just tap on this profile icon from the top right corner and just head over to your channel by simply tapping on view your channel. And as you can see, currently I have no any other videos, so I'll simply tap on this create button over here. So just select this upload a video option over here, and once you select it, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it loads the new page. You see there is an option to select your files, or you can also even drag and drop your videos to this section over here. So let me just quickly drag and drop my video. As you can see here, I have around 15 videos, so let me just quickly drag and drop it over here, right around this section over here. And when I drag and drop it over here, just remember that, so in some cases there have been a limit of 15 videos per day, but if you have not faced such issue or such problem just like me, then you can easily upload more than 15 videos as well. So you just have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes based on your internet connection to actually let the video files being uploaded onto your channel. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.